Yeah, and what I want to ask you a question. How many Sharma ji ka betas were there in your life while you were growing up?
As of now, I can remember just one. They were not Sharma, but still they were actually like Sharmas only. So, anyways. Namaskaram and hello everyone. Welcome back to the second episode of Hashtag Experience Exchange series. I am Hitesh Goyal from the Weekend Yogi, and today with me is Nandini Tyagi from DigiInflux. Today we are going to have a interesting conversation around the topic, are we feeling insecure on seeing others happy? Well, before beginning the conversation, I like to take a moment and thank each one of you for your wonderful appreciations, feedbacks, opinion, and it has given me a lot of space to improve. I'll go straight to Nandini to ask what she has to say on this. Yeah, Nandini.
Well, hi Hitesh, and thank you so much for doing this again. And I hope that the experience, which was the last time, it was wonderful. I hope that it's even better this time with you. So, and also, I would be, very, very thankful and grateful if the people like this episode as well, with the same amount as they did the first one, because I am still overwhelmed. And we were also discussing yesterday that we didn't expect people to, go all about and see it because it really takes effort and time to go ahead and watch a video. Share to aap kar sakte ho on statuses and everything. But if people are watching it and giving their time, that means maybe we have done something worth it. So yeah, thank you so very much. And we are really overwhelmed and we look forward to the same response on this episode as well. So yeah, Hitesh.
Yeah, thank you, Nandini. We will make sure it happens at its best. Now,
Yes.
starting with the conversation, the question, one word answer to the question is yes. I used to feel insecure when I was seeing others happy. Now, there are certain understanding of this question person to person, and this is very contextual and very subjective. Like, how do we take
True.
our insecurity as, and how do we see others happy as, right? So, some way when someone is making progress in their life, we see them they are happy, and when we are not making a progress according to us, we somehow go into that insecure state. Now, I would like to give a real life instance. It happened around when I passed from my 12th standard, and I happened to take the AIEEE examination. And as guessed, I wasn't able to crack any college under the AIEEE umbrella. Now, what happened? There existed Sharma ji ki family in my network, and yes, we happened to visit their family, wherein the guy who had cracked a well college under the AIEEE seemingly was very happy, and his family was also very content. At that time, I was thinking of myself 5 to 6 years ahead. What would happen to me? Now I'm going to a private college. I haven't cracked a good college. What would happen to me? So that was one thing where I find myself that I was insecure, और उसको मैं बहुत खुश देख रहा था. इसके अलावा it has taken a different and a lot of formats in my life, different shapes. Another thing is it's on the relationship front. So what used to happen is कि I used to have very serious debates and arguments with my girlfriend, right? So what would happen after the argument? I would find that she's quite sorted. She's not at all worried about what has happened, and me thinking of all the possible ways, I was going in a insecure state, and I used to feel insecure and unhappy that time. Now seeing that thing, I see that like, yeah, whoa, that was another thing at all.
What was that? Now you feel that.
So yes, so now what happens is I just know what my insecurity is and what her happiness is all about. And the definition has changed a lot, and things have gained and taken shape in a different format. So I'm no more insecure, and I feel so happy within myself that I'm seeing her happy as well. Yeah, Nandini, I like to ask you कि आपकी life में what kind of formats it has taken place, what kind of shapes this question has taken place. So yeah, Nandini, over
Right.
to you.
So, Hitesh, before going ahead and answering this question, I would also like to make a point and talk about the instance which you really, mentioned right now. कि जब when you were in your school and you just passed out and the triple E stuff and all those stuff. So like past week or so, 10th and 12th exams results are declared. And there might be so many Hiteshes who might be thinking the same way because they also might have so many Sharmajis, Varmajis, Guptas, Betas, and Betis.
It is.
So this is actually if somebody from that age group is watching our video and if their parents are watching our video, I would just like to take a moment and talk about just go ahead and don't ghost that friend of yours who has scored more than you. Okay. Go ahead and be a part of their celebration and happiness. It not only makes you a better person, but also it helps you grow in life. And that is what all this topic is all about. And we'll be discussing about it later too. And the second thing, that that moment is, it's not for it forever to stay. And at that point of time, Hitesh, your maturity level and your emotional balance, what was it? Whatever it was, that was the thing which you were thinking about it at that age, which is fine. But now when you think about it, you yourself is saying, okay, that wasn't worth it, So at that point of time, we don't have that kind of a vibe wherein we can figure out कि क्या चीज़ कैसे है. So for all those people, if they are watching this video, so this is a point from our side that please be a part of others' happiness and don't introspect so much onto yourself and don't be so harsh on yourself. Now, coming back to the question you asked, yes, very true, as you said, that the answer to this question in a single word is yes. And if somebody is saying, Hitesh, that they don't feel insecure, irrespective of the age gap or the age group, then they are lying to either themselves or to the world.
Right.
Now, the second thing can also be if they don't feel insecure, then the point is that they have trained their mind in such a way that they have, started looking the bigger good. So that can surely be there. Now, in my life, when we were actually, pointing out this particular topic and to discuss over it, I decided to do some homework. And I figured out what were the three or four reactions which I gave in my whole lifetime till now. Whenever I see somebody, doing good or somebody really happy, even somebody who I even don't know, let's say on social media also. So the first form which I'd like to say is you just ghost that person, as I said in the example before. कि मतलब आपको ये लगता है कि ये तो कोई भी कर लेगा. That kind of a vibe you give. Oh, it's not a big deal. That's the first reaction that you give when you see something like that. When you see some other flourishing. Then the second one is that you get really angry and you introspect yourself. कि मतलब what I'm doing with my life, this person started off with me, and what is exactly happening? What's going wrong? That's the second reaction. Then the third reaction is envy, I would say. I won't say that totally going into it, but yes, something or that it makes you feel uncomfortable and you don't want to recognize it, so you just avoid it. So these are the three forms which I felt that over the time I did feel. And now, when today we are talking about this, we both have learned a lot in our journeys. And today I can really say that all these forms and acknowledging all these forms and working over it has made me a better person. Now my question is that all these forms exist, but what is actually the reason? And for me, if someone asks me what is the reason, why do you feel like that way when somebody else is happy or doing something good or celebrating, my answer is that we were so much occupied in our own lives. Like there is so many lemons thrown at us that we are so busy in making the different lemonades. So at that point of time, if you see something like that, you're not able to process it. And the first reaction, humane reaction that comes is, why this? And that kind of a feeling. So my question to you will be, Hitesh, that what are the reasons according to you why something like this happens to us? And what is exactly that happened to in your case?
Yes, Nandini. So first of all, I'll tell you, you have put it so eloquently. Now, speaking of what could be the possible reason behind the same. So I have a couple of observations. So the first one is I think you see there is a very thin line difference between what you think you want in your life, okay, and what you
Right.
see others are having in their life. And when this thin line difference starts to dilute away, when this starts to diffuse away, that's the moment you start
Mm.
doubting yourself, you start doubting your capabilities, you start thinking that you won't be able to achieve what other person has achieved, and you tend to go into that state of insecurity. Now,
Yes.
for example, I'll tell you what happened. One of my friend, he always wanted a 2 bhk apartment for himself.
Okay.
He happened to buy the 2 bhk apartment for himself, a newly 2 bhk apartment, but at the same time one of his peer happened to buy a sea facing lavishing 4 bhk apartment. Now this guy got little concerned about the fact that if I'm happy this much, that guy would be actually happy double of mine. So वहां पर वो थिन लाइन डिफरेंस वो भूल गया कि उसको लाइफ में 2 BHK चाहिए था, और उसने
और वो
ये,
खुश है.
और वो खुश है, बट वो ये
हाँ.
देख के जब उसने ये डिफरेंस गायब कर दिया कि उसने देखा कि दूसरे के पास 4 BHK अपार्टमेंट आ गया, उसे अपनी
हाँ.
कैपेबिलिटीज, अपनी एबिलिटीज पे डाउट होने लगा. सो ही
Yeah,
यूज्ड टू
start
से
to
मी,
question.
हितेश कि I won't be able to achieve this. I said, you wanted a 2 BHK apartment. Now, this is a human tendency कि you always want something more, whatever
Yes,
you have,
very
right?
true.
Right? But the thing is, it depends how much you let it overpower you in whatever way.
True.
Now, insecurity is one such state of mind. मेरे लिए what I've seen is कि you can take it as an opportunity in life, or you can take it as a thing to take you backwards, right? Now, it's totally up to you. How do you want to perceive it, and how do you want to go
Very
about
well
it?
said. Yeah.
Right. So, I'll say you कि before going into this insecure state of mind, when I have started working on myself for the last few years, and I started working on my awareness, I happen to see that these things when I say these things, the other people who are happy, I'm not getting any kind of insecurity on that. On top of that, just I am even like I'm finding myself to be supporting them and aligning with them and congratulating them with what they have. Now let's see, someone friend of mine is he's doing well in his life. So I will start working on myself more on that specific skill set, and I'll try to move forward in my life. So Nandini, इस वजह से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आई हैव मूव forward in my life and progress
Ahead
a
in
lot.
life. Yes.
Right. So, Nandini, I want to understand your viewpoint on this. कि आप क्या सोचते हैं कि how is it can it be overcome by any chance, this situation?
Yes.
Or yeah, Nandini.
Yeah, Hitesh, in the last episode also, if you remember, we discussed almost the same, the same thing, that how we can actually do anything we want, basically. So the same thing happens over here. It's not like a big deal. It is a big deal when you don't want to go ahead and try, you know. But being happy in others' happiness, supporting them, is something which we should do organically, but we don't because of the various reasons that are best known to us. And I also believe, Hitesh, that as mankind, we all are meant to coexist. Different types of people, different intellects, but we are meant to coexist. And so our happinesses and sadnesses are also meant to coexist. But the sad part is that in this world, in this imperfect world, as I would say, we are always looking forward to talk about, to gossip, or to celebrate other people's sadnesses, other people's shortcomings, and to belittle them. Even if somebody has achieved something or is happy in some way or the other, you would always notice that you would find people, or even sometimes you yourself, going ahead and not appreciating that person, but also, talking about that in a negative manner. हाँ तो क्या हो गया? On that tone and tonality I'm talking about. And that is something which is कि अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि वो नहीं कर रहा, तो it's okay. That means that you have tried and you have, kind of excelled at how you, react to certain situations. But this is something which is a humane reaction. And saying this that आप बिल्कुल हमेशा खुश रहो and हमेशा ये support रहो, that is also something which will only exist in a perfect world. But what I really want to tell through my experiences that if you are thinking, if you are noticing that you're doing something like this, correct yourself there, and that is how you get to know that you are working upon yourself to become a better person. And I also believe that it's all about the vibes, Hitesh. That if somebody is doing really good, known or unknown, I make it a point to always go ahead and congratulate that person. Why? Because not only it will make that person happy that somebody sent me a message with whom he is not even in contact with, but it will also make me not only a better person, but also help me grow in life. Because all the positivity which I am giving out is sure to come back to me. Because I truly believe in the vibe circle. And that has happened to me. So that is why I'm believing it, not going away just by reading. So that is something which I really believe. And also, one example that we saw that movie, Ranbir's movie, Ranbir and Deepika's Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. So therein, they have to go somewhere. So Ranbir says to her, "Ke chalo, we'll miss that something was there. I don't remember what exactly the scene was." And then she says, "Ke कहीं ना कुछ तो हमेशा छूटना है, तो एटलीस्ट जहाँ हो वहाँ के तो तुम पूरी तरीके से एंजॉय करो." So same is the thing which I would like to mention here, that at some point of time or in your life, you will always find someone more happy, happier than you, more successful than you, and all the more things.
Right.
But then at that point of time, you have to, it's okay to feel that way, but then you have to bring back to your own self and recognize, I'm feeling certainly wrong. I'm doing really good in life and I need to work over myself to go ahead. Not, ghost that person, because that has happened with me, Hitesh, and I'm sure it might have happened with you as well.
Yeah.
When you are going ahead with in life and doing something good and celebrating something, many people see it. Many people, view it, but very few, you can even have the names on your tips, who come ahead and say that, listen, we are really happy for you and congratulations. So I really want to put across that message that it really does not take a lot from our end to be a support, to be in other people's happinesses. So this is actually again a topic wherein we both can, go on and on and on. But let's just wrap up this conversation. And so I'd like to ask you, what is your takeaway from this conversation, which you'll implement in your life from here?
Okay, Nandini. So, well, it's very difficult to just go away with just one takeaway. But
Yes.
for me, it is key. I see in life, right? As you said, there is always someone doing better in every aspect than us, right? So we always have to make sure that we are looking at ourselves with utmost clarity. We are saying that what we want in our life, we should know.
Exactly.
And we shouldn't go about doubting ourselves and doubting our capabilities, right? So that is what I can take away with this. Nandini, I'd like to ask you, you tell me what you have take away from this conversation.
Yeah, so I actually have two. The first one will be the point which you said. I really liked it, that there's a thin line difference between two people's expectation of happiness. And when it starts to fade away, there is when the problem starts. That's really true. And the second one is that being happy in somebody else's happiness and success and celebration not only makes you a better person, it really helps you grow in life. And all the positivity which you are giving out come back to you, because it's all the circle of life and all the circle of karma and all. I truly believe in it because I believe that it is happening for me. So that is why I go about and say this. And on that note, let us wrap this up. And please do let me know, let us know that how did you guys like this one. I hope that something or the other you had to take away from this. And we look forward to reading your comments in the comment section. And also, we'll be also listing down all our social media handles, wherein we can, have a chat with you on one-on-one basis if you'd like to take this conversation forward. And that's it. And until we meet next, please do take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.
And namaskaram, everyone. Bye.
Namaskar.